Why you're not changing, even when you're trying so hard. You're doing everything right, journaling, meditating, reading self-help books, but somehow nothing's changing. You still procrastinate, still scroll at midnight, still feel stuck. You're not broken. You're just trapped in the most dangerous illusion of progress. Motion without transformation. Emotional trigger. Your brain loves effort, not results. It rewards you for thinking about change more than actually doing it. That's why planning feels productive, but execution feels exhausting. You're not lazy, you're addicted to potential. Mirror moment. You open YouTube for one motivation video. 2 hours later, you're still watching strangers become the person you said you'd be. That's not learning. That's self-help entertainment, and your brain calls it progress. Insight shift. Here's the truth. You can't add new habits to the same identity that built your old problems. You're trying to upgrade the house without touching the foundation. Until you end a version of you that survives on comfort, nothing changes. Example moment. That version that says, "I'll start fresh Monday," that's the one killing your momentum. Change doesn't start when you want a new life. It starts when you stop protecting the one that's keeping you stuck. The one delete rule. Forget adding new habits. Start with deletion. Unfollow one account that triggers comparison. Move one app off your home screen. Change one environment cue that feeds the old identity. One deletion, 10 new habits. Psychology anchor. Why does this work? Because identity is built by what you repeatedly tolerate. Remove one tolerance, a thought, habit, or environment, and your brain starts rewiring automatically. That's not motivation. That's your brain rewiring in real time. Reset formula. Here's your formula. First, name the pattern that drains you. Second, remove one source that feeds it. Third, replace that moment with stillness, even 30 seconds. That micro-interruption is how your old self dies and your new one is born. That's how small wins start compounding. Identity flip. Real growth doesn't feel exciting. It feels awkward because you're meeting a version of yourself who doesn't exist yet. If it feels strange, good. That's the sign you're finally evolving instead of repeating. Close video for redirect. You're not stuck because you don't know what to do. Pause. You're stuck because you're carrying who you no longer need. End one pattern today, and you'll start becoming someone new tomorrow. Now, if you want to learn how to retrain your focus and energy so change actually lasts, watch this next video. You don't need more time. You need better attention. That's where real transformation begins. Welcome to FocusFlow.